life barefoot. The chickens are coming tomorrow.
Should be here in about 12 hours. So the post office always calls us first thing in the morning and says, hey, your chickens are here. Come and pick them up. So about 7:30, 8 o'clock in the morning, you get a phone call. I got to work, so it'll be on them to get them.
Me and the boys will go in and get them. So tonight we're actually just getting everything ready and prepared so that in the morning when they arrive, we can just introduce them to their new home.
And on the last video, I was wrong. I was thinking I ordered 50. I ordered 60.
If you didn't watch that video, I will link it here.
Yeah, so we have 60 Black Jersey Giants coming. Like I said on the last video, we've never raised this breed before, so I'm kind of excited to see how they turn out. Yeah, this is the most that we've ordered at one time to raise for meat birds. The state of the world today, you just got to be prepared. So we are leaning more in that direction of overabundance, whether they're being caught flat-footed in the case of some, a wild rest of the year. So
a few of our local friends in the community that are super interested in learning how to butcher their own chickens. So we did order extra in hopes that they will come and learn from us and help us out also. It's going to be huge huge thing having more people there to help us, especially with the amount of birds that we ordered this time. So in return for their help, they are obviously getting good knowledge and hands-on chicken butchering, but they'll also be able to take home some chickens too. So we want to be able to help them learn and get help also in return. So it's going to be pretty good.
So if you're one of our locals that watch the channel and you are interested in that and learning how to butcher chickens, we're going to raise these birds for 3 months or so. So sometime in the fall we'll be doing that. Maybe first come, first served type thing. We'll have you all come out and learn some skills.
We're really focused on abundance this year, being prepared, and really honing in on creating a community of like-minded people, and really just try to support each other. And if we are super motivating and you guys are so interested and want to start growing food, raising animals, whatever it is, you're like super motivated, but you just don't have, maybe you live in the city, you just don't have the space, the time, whatever right now, you should grow microgreens. So check out barefootmicrogreens.com. It is a great way to get started and feel good about growing your own food, for sure.
Heck yeah.
So. And
if there's not a microgreens farmer in your area and you are interested in becoming or providing that service for your community, she put out an awesome how-to book on how to start your microgreens business. So again, the website, barefootmicrogreens.com. Alright, we got everything ready for tonight. In the morning they'll go grab the chickens, fill up the waters, and get them introduced to their new home for the next week or so, a couple weeks, until we get them out on grass.
Alright guys, we will see you in the morning. Alright guys, it's time. The post office just called, so let's go get some baby chicks. Alright, we got them. Baby chickies. Oh, look at them.
They're so fuzzy.
They're so cute. I bet they're so thirsty.
They look like cotton balls. Oh, black cotton balls.
All right, let's get them home.
Bye. Penelope, we got no friends.
Okay, everything is all set up except for the water, so we're gonna go fill up the water and then get them in.
Let's go.
All right, luckily last night we got some really good rain and it filled up our water catchment system here. Both barrels are filled up, so that's awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the baby chicks some water. The water what?
Looks like the sun when it's filled up.
It looks like the sun when you fill it up?
Yeah, it's bright. Two suns, look at that.
Oh yeah.
No, look. Doesn't it look like brightness?
Yep.
Oh, you didn't spill any water. Okay, chickies, are you ready? To go on a bear?
All right, guys, we got the water in. Everything is now set up. And how was the ride with the chickens?
Noisy.
Very noisy.
We popped on some Mozart music to help calm them down. And Gavin was getting pecked through the little holes.
These sides are not as aggressive.
He said there's one side of them that are more aggressive than the other. So he's gonna dip their beaks in, show them where the water is. I'm sure they're super thirsty. And we're gonna count them and make sure they're all there. We should have 61.
Oh, you want to touch me? I'm going to grab you. Stir, chill. Don't stir.
Oh, he's trying to fly. Get out.
Once you get back.
There's some that are so don't want to be picked up at all. And then there's some that's just want to be picked up or something.
9.
Hey.
10. 11. Have we got any?
Oh, he's got them.
Ooh.
Good practice for him. He's still a little uneasy with chickens, so.
One side done.
How many was on that one side?
17.
17?
3 more sides to go.
Yeah, I think you're right, Gavin. I think we're going to have to spread out the watering containers.
Yeah, they're all just wanting that one side.
They're so thirsty. You guys are trying to take a bath.
Yeah, and they're literally all going up in the group so they don't get put.
Okay, we're halfway.
32.
32.
Okay, are you ready, guys?
And we didn't show you this on the other video.
Ow, hit me.
After we had ended that night, Corey went ahead and put this little divider here so we could keep them in this little area. So as you can see, this chicken tractor is pretty big.
Get into this. Squishes it.
Yeah, can I get in there, Mom?
Oh, dang. He tripped over my foot.
Mom, can I get in there?
I guess. We'll smooth back out the wood chips. It took oh goodness! How did you get out?
What are you doing?
How did that happen? Did you forget one in the box? Lulu, good girl. Good girl, Lola. You didn't eat it. That was crazy.
You're mine.
Okay, we got them all in. Davin counted them, and he counted 62. So Corey thought we ordered 61. So 61 or 62 babies arrived. They all look healthy and happy. We're all very, very thirsty. Okay, guys, make sure to subscribe to our channel because I'm thinking we need to do weekly check-ins on the baby chickens so you guys can follow along as we raise these guys up.
Lucy says bye.
Bye.